One Indian guru, he was walking with his disciples. Indian guru, Indian teacher. In between their journey, they had to cross one small river. So, before crossing this river, he told to his disciples, it may have more depth, sometimes up to our neck there will be water, sometimes it may be more than head. So when we cross this river for reaching its far side, sometimes I may lose my spectacle. Sometimes I may lose my holy book. Sometimes I may lose my rosary type beads. Sometimes I may lose walking stick. Like that, so many things he told. Sometimes I may lose my cloth. I may lose my shawl. I may lose my sandal, but you are my disciples, lovely disciples. You are youth, you have health, strength. You have to collect the soul and you have to give me it back when we reach far side of this river. When they heard this, disciples tried to collect everything, because if they collect this kind of things which had been lost from teacher, guru, and if they give it back when they reach at the far side of river, guru, teacher will be so happy and so glad. He will be pleased in them. He will show love, mercy towards them. So they tried to collect. So they started to cross. Everybody got down to a river and started their walking through water-filled river. As he told, one by one things was losing from him. Disciples jumped to collect his rosary type beads, his sandals, his holy book, his walking stick, his shawl, his cloth, his spectacle, everything one by one tried to collect and swam to the far side of river and waiting for Guru to give this all. They expected Guru will be pleased in them. Guru will show more love, more mercy towards them, and they will be blessed. And they were waiting for Guru, teacher, standing on the far side of river. Say it's remaining. Everything was there. Spectacle was there with the disciple. Soul was with the disciple, another disciple. Walking stick was with another disciple. So many disciples were, each and everyone had one by one things. They waited for Guru, teacher, but one thing didn't come. It was Guru, teacher. All kinds of physical things were there with them. Spectacles were there. Holy book was with them, walking stick was with them, but Guru didn't reach, teacher didn't reach, knowledge didn't reach, wisdom didn't reach. Then what is the advantage with this sword? What is the advantage with this walking stick? What is the advantage with sandals and that kind of things? So we shall first of all collect Guru, teacher. We shall first of all try to collect love, goodnesses, that kind of things. We shall try to give second priority to sandals. We can give second priority to walking stick. We shall give second priority to sword. We shall think. Instead of giving second priority to something, we may be giving first priority to them. Instead of giving first priority to Guru, teacher, knowledge, creativity, sometimes we may be giving first priority to lipsticks. Sometimes we may be giving first priority to shaving set. Sometimes we may be giving first priority to cars, valuable cars. We may have a lot of ornaments. We may have been decorated with ornaments and clothes and lipsticks and powders and perfumes. But if there is nothing inside of our heart, if there is nothing inside of our spirit, if there is nothing inside of our head, if there is nothing inside of our brain, if there is nothing inside of our mind, it is a dead body. We shall be a good body. We shall be a body with knowledge. We shall be with the teacher. Thank you very much.